Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn new topic, how to check active taxpayer list income tax. It is Federal Board of Revenue website, FBR website, Government of Pakistan, and as you know, 30th September is last date for filing of income tax return. And in this respect, we want to know how to check the person is filer, the person is active in income tax. How to check it? The purpose of active in income tax is the person is filing their income tax return. If the person is filing their income tax return, it becomes show as active in FBR website. If the person is not filing their income tax return, then it will show as inactive in FBR website. The purpose of becomes active is FBR give reduced rate, provide whenever they purchase car or property. FBR not charge double rate. They charge only reduced rate, reduced income tax rate. For example, if I purchase car by rupees 100,000, the filer rate is, for example, 2%, whenever whereas the non-filer rate is double, 4%. Then how to check the person is filer, the person is active in income tax, we will learn in this video. This is FBR website. Click on online verification portal. This is active taxpayer list income tax. We click on this. Parameter type, we want to know the person is active or not. Whenever we make payment to supplier, we have to check the person is active or not. If person is not filer, we will charge enhanced rate, double rate. If person is filer, if we purchase goods from supplier and the invoice value is 100,000 including sales tax, we charge, if the person is filer and other than company, we deduct income tax withholding 4.5%. if the person is active taxpayer in income tax. If the person is not active, then we will charge double tax. How to check the person is active or not? Let's learn here. In this, it has four criteria. You can mention NTN, you can check active taxpayer person by NTN, CNIC, passport or registration number. I have NTN number, I select NTN number of supplier. Actually I want to deduct tax. For your learning purpose, if I want to deduct tax, I mention NTN number. I can mention CNIC as well. Just for knowledge purpose, how to check active taxpayer list income tax, I select NTN. Registration number, I mention NTN number 1543137. It is random NTN number of a taxpayer. Then I have to mention date, today's date, and image. I type the same image and verify. The taxpayer information comes: registration number, name, business name, filing status is active. It is active taxpayer in income tax. Filing status, checking date, 25th September. On 25th September, this person is active in income tax. Usually we do not withhold income tax of K Electric Limited, but when we purchase goods from other than K Electric or supplier, if they had if they don't have exemption certificate, undertaking, grower, something like that, we will deduct tax. If the person is active in income tax, we will deduct income tax according to law. And if the person is non-active, if the person, for example, if the person is active, we will deduct 4.5%. If the person is non-active, if here is says non-active, then we will charge double tax rate, or as respect of law, according to law. And you can see another information, you can also check your active taxpayer status, ATL status, by sending SMS. Type ATL space registration number. Here you see example, just if you want to know the person is active or not, and you don't have laptop and internet facility, you can check it through by using your mobile phone. Just type ATL and space type space and mention registration number. If you have NTA number, you mention NTA number. If you have CNIC number, you mention CNIC number. The criteria mentioned here, you just type here and send SMS to 9966. You can see the result. You can receive SMS like the person registration number is active or not. Hopefully you understand this video. If you have any query, you may freely discuss on comment box. Thank you so much.